Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I am L to the W. I'm a vlogger and a car enthusiast, and occasionally, sometimes when your wife is driving home in her brand new 2019 Buick Envision, a mailbox jumps out and attacks their mirror and breaks right here. Hopefully you can see that right here. Breaks the turn signal in the mirror. So now we have to try to figure out how we're gonna fix this, because I really cannot find any good YouTube videos or information online on how to get this out. And I did one mirror one time at work on a vehicle, and it just simply involved pulling the mirror out. I don't think it's gonna be quite that simple, but I'm gonna try my hardest to pry this mirror out and not break it. I went on eBay and I looked up a mirror and I got a good picture of what the backside looks like, and it looks like maybe there's about 4 clips that maybe you can kind of push in. So fingers crossed, and let's try this. Definitely not a task for the faint of heart, or if you don't have the money to replace the mirror, because you're definitely going to take a chance. But I did find the mirror, the only way to get to it is to push it in like that, and have this angle is the only way to come in. And I was able to look in there and find a little piece to push off of, and there's 2 clips. Once I got those 2 clips to pop free, then I just gave a quick tug and it came out. So this being a heated mirror, we have 2 wires right here that I need to unplug. There we go, right there. And we have the turn signal here, which I think it should just pop out. Okay, so let's zoom in here. Let's get in here. So right here, this tab is what I stuck the tool into and was able to push against the mirror to pop it out. So this mirror would sit like this. Right here you have tabs. 1, 2. There's 2 more here. There's 2 right here, and then there's 2 more. So basically, if you can see how that lines up, so I was able to get the tool right here in between this slot and push, and I was able to get, once you get the first set of teeth pop loose, that's it. So if you're only going to do a mirror replacement, then you're done. Just plug in your wires and that's it. I need to get back here to the turn signal, so we need to take the rest of this out, which it looks like we got some Torx bits. So next step, we have 4 Torx. There's T20s that we're going to take out. And that should just pop right out. Huh. Look at that. Alright, now. The only thing I see holding this in is 1 Torx under here, so we'll take that out. No. That's not what's holding it. 2 Torx that hold this in, and that one kind of broke. That's never gonna get fixed, unfortunately. So now the secret is there's a connector back here that we need to get unplugged. We'll pull this out. And the last step is we have this plug right here. It goes there into the mirror, so it's going to be way, way, way in the back. So what you need to do is kind of get a screwdriver in right here at the very tip of this and kind of push in on the plug. What I was able to do is, because this flexes now a lot, I was able to kind of pull this back and kind of get this thing to wiggle through. And then as I yanked on it, it actually kind of just pulled through. I wasn't trying that. I was trying to figure out how this comes off. Now the fun part will come when we try to get this all back together, but right now I gotta wait for the post office to drop off the part. So, got the new turn signal. So now the fun part, like I mentioned, is gonna be trying to get this wire back on here. Oh boy, that's gonna be fun. The wire is right there. Maybe see that little harness. And that, like I promised you, is very, very hard to get to. So what I did is I used a pair of pliers like this that are bent extremely long. This might be overkill and you probably don't have anything like that, but I was able to put the plug in right here. I was able to hold it and kind of push, use this and push into it, and then I had it in there, and then I was able to hold it in and push and get that good lock. And that, I don't know, maybe you could try, if you have smaller hands, you can get it in there. It's just at a weird angle, because it's, but probably with some patience and some time, like I finally got it. So to secure this, same way we took it apart. We got 2 screws here. Then we're going to put that bezel on. Okay, and that's it. So you're pretty much done. Just reverse the procedures to put it back together. Now you can use this to either replace the turn signal. You can use it to replace this. What it looks like here is if you need to replace this motor, it looks like there's about 3 screws here. And this assembly should come out. That's what it looks like. And then there's a harness here. So you can do that. Or if you need to replace your glass, either one. This video should help you out. So like I said, you got to put this back, put your 2 screws in there. Don't forget your bezel. Put that in. We have 4 screws that go in here, and then snap the mirror in place, and you are done. And I'm not going to bore you with putting it all back together, because if you got it out, you know how it goes back. So if this video helped you out, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel if you like cars and car stuff and that. I have things like 50th anniversary supercharged Camaro. I have a Grand National, GTO, a Trans Am. I have a Chevy SS. So I'm really into cars, and I share that in life. So if you're into that, subscribe to the channel. If not, give me a thumbs up and just let me know if this video helped you out, because like I said, I couldn't find any information on how to do this, and it's pretty nerve-wracking yanking a mirror off a car. So hopefully this helped, and we'll see you again.